Getting an Ace Remap installed in your vehicle is a pretty quick process, only usually taking around an hour in most cases. But we know that in the world today, finding an hour, especially if you have to travel to a workshop, can sometimes be a bit awkward or even impossible. So to make it as convenient as possible for you to get an Ace Remap, we've got a couple of solutions. Firstly, we'll come to you. With our fully mobile service, your vehicle can be remapped at your home or workplace to suit you. Secondly, you can also have your remap on a Saturday, whether you're coming to us at our car care centre or we're coming to you at your home or workplace. Now, we just want to make it as convenient and hassle-free as possible for you to enjoy the benefits of an Ace Remap on your vehicle. So if you'd like to arrange a convenient time to have your Ace Remap installed, or if you've got any questions, then just click the button to book a time to talk to a tech. You've got lots to gain and nothing to lose. Hope to speak to you soon. Bye for now.